Did you know that the average American spends over 1,000 hours a year in the kitchen? That's over 40 full days, a month and a half, each year. Now imagine those hours spent in a space that's more than just a kitchen, a place that feels welcoming, looks stunning, and works smarter than ever before. That's exactly what Wrona Construction is helping homeowners achieve in Narberth, Pennsylvania, where kitchens are transforming into true hubs of the home, combining style and practicality in fresh, exciting ways. Let's dive into how Narberth residents are completely reimagining their kitchens to be both stylish and super functional. Gone are the days of small, closed-off kitchens. Today's designs focus on open spaces, letting natural light pour in, making the kitchen feel brighter, bigger, and more inviting. It's a setup that's perfect for family time, cooking together, or hosting friends. The overall look of these kitchens is all about simplicity and cleanliness. Imagine handleless cabinets, smart storage that keeps everything neatly hidden, and soft neutral colors that add a peaceful, elegant vibe. And while they're beautiful, they're also loaded with technology to make life easier. Control your oven from your smartphone, or have a fridge that tracks your grocery list on a touchscreen. Even lights and faucets can be voice-activated now, making daily tasks effortless. One of the central features in these kitchens is the island, but it's far more than just counter space. Today's kitchen islands are multifunctional hubs, perfect for prepping food, grabbing a quick meal, or even working. Some come with hidden appliances, pop-up outlets, and charging stations for your devices. Wrona Construction has seen Narberth homeowners embrace these versatile islands to maximize both functionality and style. Narberth kitchens also have something special that's truly unique to the area: a touch of local character. Homeowners are choosing locally sourced materials, showcasing artwork by local artists, and picking colors inspired by Narberth's natural beauty. This thoughtful local touch makes these kitchens feel modern, while still staying connected to the community. Lighting plays a big role in setting the atmosphere. Designers use different layers of lighting: bright task lights, eye-catching pendant lights over the island, and soft under-cabinet LEDs. Many lighting systems can even be controlled through a smartphone, giving you easy adjustments and saving energy. Smart storage is also a big win for these kitchens. Think about tall cabinets reaching up to the ceiling, pull-out pantry shelves, and corner cabinets with rotating trays. Every inch of space is designed to be useful and customized to the family's needs. Looking forward, we'll see even more smart tech, eco-friendly materials, and designs that blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Narberth kitchens aren't just following trends, they're setting them, with the help of Wrona Construction. More and more homeowners are building spaces that go beyond being just kitchens. They're becoming places that bring family and friends together. If you're considering a kitchen remodel in Narberth, find a designer who understands both modern innovations and the local character. With the right touch, you'll create a kitchen that's not just beautiful and functional, but truly feels like home. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. At Wrona Construction, we're here to help you build your dream space, one project at a time. See you in the next one.